Okay guys, so this is how you make a front mount intercooler. Here are the things you'll need, and I'll also show you how to make it. So first thing, which is obvious, you need the big intercooler. This is actually bigger than the one that the company Snap makes, and it's a quarter of the price of it. Snap sells their kit for $400, and their intercooler is 24 by 6 by 2.5. This is 28 by 7 by 2.5. And to fit this here, actually, I got a mounting bracket, a 90-degree mounting bracket. 2 of them on each side. There's actually a little thing right here, but it's on the top. You could screw it in. I removed the crash bar just so I can get the fitment, and I drilled right there, as you can see, to mount the intercooler right there, and also another right there, just in the frame. And that's how you mount the intercooler. It'll just be held up right there while you route the piping through your engine bay. So first thing you'll need is a 90-degree bend, which is that one right there, and it's that. And then you'll need the connecting thing, which you'll probably need like 5 of those, just a bunch of clamps. And then there's this 45-degree bend. You'll need to cut it a little bit here, and then a little bit right here, just so it can get to right this area. And then a 90-degree coupler that just goes from right here, and this is actually another 45-degree bend, which you just put it right through here. You might need to move the AC canister a little bit by unbolting this screw that's right here, and that goes right there. And the cuts you're gonna make is one right here, just to make it fit properly. You're gonna need to cut it here a little bit, and here even more, which this is just the 45-degree. You don't cut this one at all. And then you cut the bottom piece from the other 45-degree, that one right there, just to make it not be lower than the frame already. You don't want it to go lower than what you already have. And then you put another 90-degree that's angling to make it kind of straight. And then on this side, for the best fitment, I used a 180-degree one, like this, cut right in half, and then you could put a silicone connector right there, and then just this to the half. And that's the hot side. You're done with the hot side right now. Okay, and now for the cold side, for the throttle body, you'll have to buy, depending on what throttle body you have. I have the bigger, the 3-inch one, which is actually 2.8. So I got a 2.8 to 2.5, which is the piping size. Clamps, and then I got a bung, which I just used JB Weld to put it on. I just drilled through a bunch of times, and I used like a heater hose. It's a 1-inch heater hose that fits this right here. You want a tight fit, you don't want a loose fit. And I got a 1-inch bung. So this is just a straight that's probably a foot that goes from the connector. And then there's another 90-degree from this connector right here, and it goes to a 180-degree. So you see from that 90-degree right there, it goes to here, and then the connector, and then just a bunch of clamps. So this is literally what you'll need. This for the top of the engine. You'll need this. Actually, you won't need this. You'll need this right here. You cut this to fit, cut however much you need, cut right there, and then cut right there. This is that. And then it goes down to right here. Perfect fitment. I also did the fan shroud mod. I can leave a video if you guys want that. And then a 45-degree going that way. You can't fit it through here, you're gonna mess up your AC lines. And it's actually a pretty tight fit right here. It's gonna vibrate, but you have to take out your old intercooler, that's what shakes. And then right there, which is one of these cut in half, the intercooler. And then the other side of that is this one right here. It's just, the 180-degree. And then it goes from a 90-degree silicone up like that to this 1-foot straight hose, which you could just use that right there and just cut a foot. Go up to there, and yeah, that's it. This is the full look of the front mount intercooler. I've had no leaks. I didn't really notice more turbo lag, but honestly the boost comes in much quicker since it's out the front. It looks pretty cool too without a bumper. That's what you'll need with a bunch of clamps. You might need to get the bung. You might need to get JB water weld. I used water weld. Then 1-inch universal heater core hose on eBay. I made this for less than 150 bucks. When you get the name brand drop-in intercoolers for 600, 700 bucks. That thing's a pretty good deal, guys. Follow me on Instagram if you have any questions. Just DM me. 850 Platy. Thanks, guys. This can be on S70, V70, and 850.